So today we're getting into the turbojet blower. It's a cordless leaf blower that you see making its rounds around TikTok and YouTube. Dozer did send me this product free of charge for it to review, so let's unbox it and see what we get in the box. Alright, so we get some literature here at the top. No instructions, just kind of some propaganda. So the device itself feels pretty good. It has nice hard plastic. It comes with a battery and a charger. So let me get this charged up and then we'll take it outside and put it to the test and see how it goes. Okay, so we have the battery charged. The only indication is going to be that on there it says green. So we're going to take it outside and give it a test and see how it goes. So here it is. It's actually raining in New York. We don't have any dry leaves yet, so I came into the garage. We're going to test it out here in a drier condition and see what it looks like. Okay, we have it here in a bush. Let's see. Okay, we have the little bird feeder that's with water. So there you have it, guys. It is the DOZAWA Cordless Leaf Blower, 130,000 RPM, lightweight, handheld turbo blower. You could pick it up, link in the description. You can pick it up on Amazon. It's coming in, as the day of this recording, it's coming in at $22. And if you have Prime, I believe you get free shipping with that. Again, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and give me a comment. I really appreciate it. Take care, guys. Bye now.